Why do I only have one glove? Okay. What's up, everybody? We'll be taking a ride on the Surron today. Beautiful. Yeah. So welcome back, everybody. I'm back. We're making videos again. Back on the run. What up, little dude? We're about to go hit a trail real quick. I have a buddy at the house, Zach. Zach, if you're watching this, what's up? And I found this trail over here, like right by my house. The other day, I had to find the entrance. Here's the entrance. So I got some new tires. The Shinko 240s, 244s, something like that. They're awesome. So today we're going to be riding out here. I'm in Santa Rosa Beach, Florida. My name's Matt. Welcome to my channel. We're going to be taking the Surron X electric dirt bike out for some filming on the GoPro 11. No mic, no media mod, just strapped to a helmet mount. And we're just out here chilling today. It's a beautiful day. It really is. I gotta put something on that battery. Let me see here. See if that helps with the bounce. Whoa. Nope. My battery is just going to have to bounce around for a minute. Is that a trail or is that like not a trail? So yeah, we're out here having a good day right before the sun goes down. Good sundown ride in the sand, testing out these new tires. They are the Shinkos, and I can tell you right off the bat from the stock tires, as someone who's had 2 Surrons with stock tires, these are a whole level better than those stock tires. They just ride over stuff a lot easier. Hill was no problem. We can actually accelerate up this one. It's crazy. The Surrons are amazing. I mean, they're not on the level of, say, dirt bike when it comes to torque, especially on the top end, but for riding around like this, if you can't have fun on a Surron, I don't know. You know, you got those hardcores out there that are like, oh, dirt bike till I die. Okay, cool. Cool, man. Yeah, doing some drifting. Get used to that rear wheel sliding out. Yeah, boy. Oh, there's so many of these trails right by my house. This is awesome. It's awesome. Just right down the road. I mean, I'm talking, you guys saw it right out in my neighborhood. These trails are right here. Oh yeah, they got a lot of Okay, I guess let's go this way. That's some deep sand right there. No problem. Okay, made it to the other side of this trail. Gotcha. Okay. This was supposed to be a quick ride anyway, so that's cool. Go up here and look at the end. Do not enter. This is kind of an exit, but okay. Alright, so we're heading back. Like I said, this is going to be a quick little ride, just having fun. I just wanted to see what this trail was in the first place. Turned out to be an awesome trail. To cut over to some of my favorite restaurants. I'm getting a little bit better riding in sand. I'm not totally used to it yet, but getting better. Hey. There's a fucking dirt pit. Whoa. That's that deep loose sand right there. Okay. My nose itches. The mustache. Ah, the mustache. The mustache. Okay. Okay, we're now on the part 2 of the ride. We're going to be riding back the trails. Make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching this far. And I'm going to put you back on my helmet. Let's go. All right. It's not time for the lights yet. I think I went this way. Let's see. Yeah, this is where I went. Cool. You get lost in these trails sometimes because they all look the same. Oh yeah, this is the hill. Cool. Yeah, they all look the same after a while. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. Alright, we're pulling back into the house. Quick little ride, fun little ride. Having a good time. Alright, we're back at the hazy. Cool. Good. Ready to go? Subscribe. See you guys later.